Blogger was a new software that I had never came across before taking media. However, I found it rather enjoyable to use after getting to know how to use it. At first I found it difficult, but as I progressed through creating my project through research and planning, it became easier for me to use. I feel it's made creating the product easier as I can keep all my work in one place and I didn't lose anything. I also liked how I could easily find a certain piece of work quickly because it was all in chronological order. It also meant that creating my product was really interesting and fun, and Blogger's definitely something I would use again in the future. SurveyMonkey was a key website that I used to collect information from my target audience. It allowed me to create a survey which could be filled out by anyone, so I could receive information that would help me produce my product, such as what subgenre people preferred, what colours they linked to a thriller, even the main things such as what my age and gender I was targeting towards. It also gave me quick instant answers that I could use in my research and planning, as well as using the answers to help me create my product. YouTube is where I uploaded all my videos, such as my first cut and my final cut. I also uploaded videos for my research and planning, however, more importantly, we found sound extracts on here and a soundtrack that plays throughout a clip. We used a website called YouTube Converter, which converted YouTube clips into MP3 tracks, so we could then add them onto a product. However, we made sure they were royalty free. The Macs we used throughout the whole process, as we used them to create our blogs for research and planning, and mainly for Final Cut. Final Cut was new to me at first, just like Blogger, however I soon found it easy to use. We used it to edit our product, which meant we could do all sorts of things, such as cut the video and trim the soundtracks, adjust colours of the footage and duplicate footage, and also lots more stuff, but I didn't know how to do any of this before I took media, so I've learned it all during this process. I think I've progressed a lot since the preliminary task, as like I say, I didn't know how to do anything, but I've learned a lot of this as I began to create my product, and I now feel confident using Final Cut again in the future. For filming, I used a Panasonic Lumix FZ45, which meant I didn't have to worry about borrowing any equipment. I feel that it was really clear footage and it gave me a head start on filming as I knew how to use it. I also tried to experiment filming in black and white, but then decided to stick to filming in normal colour and just editing the footage on the Macs at a later stage in case I changed my mind about the colour of certain clips, and then I couldn't undo it after.